Okay, so welcome again sa ating series of answering word problems, application ng derivatives. Let's try this one. Okay, so mas maganda kapag ganito ang ating problem, hanapin muna natin ating mga given. So since we're talking about the volume of the sphere, so the volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So ito yung gagamitin natin para sa ating pag-derive. Okay, next, the radius, the rate of the radius. When we say rate, we're talking about derivative. So, let us use dr, derivative or rate of change ng radius in terms of or with respect to time. So, dt. dr dt natin is 2 meters per second. And, in half natin is find the rate of change of the volume. When we say rate again, so we have d over, with respect to time again, dt. So, ito ang hinahanap natin when r daw is equals to 4 meters. Now, let us use to derive this one. So, we have dv in terms of r muna tayo. Is equal to 4/3 pi r or derivative of this 3r square. Cancel ang 3. Ang matitira is dv over dr is equal to 4 pi r square. So, since ito pa yung naka-dv dr, let us multiply this one to dr dt. dr dt. And when we do that, maka-cancel yung dr. Ang matitira is dv over dt. Okay? So, equals to 4 pi. Ang r natin is 4 meter square times dr dt natin is 2 meters per second. Okay, so we have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. Tapos ito ay magiging meter square times m is 128 pi meter cube or cubic meter per second. Yan ang ating final answer. Okay, how about this one?